Hey guys, welcome to this magnificent prosperous live stream. We'll start in just a few minutes. We'll wait for more people to come. And in the meantime, I'm going to set up the live stream. So the agenda is taking a look at part fun coins, Radium Deck Square coins as usual, and especially looking at football related meme coins. And this is going to be an extremely educational live stream like we always have. And yeah, I'll teach you guys how to trade the narrative, how you can capitalize on this opportunity. And we'll be looking at some plays for you guys during this live stream like we always do. So just a few more minutes. Hold on for a few minutes, guys. And if you're already watching, then welcome. Then welcome to this magnificent live stream. I'm going to pin my classic free resources in the live chat, and they are already available in the description of this video. And it's just my free course, Potted Fun free course, 40 minutes of beginner level content, as well as free Discord and free Telegram course channel. We have free resources now pinned in this live chat message. And let me know if everything works, guys, the microphone, the screen sharing, my camera. And let's start now. First, let's make a very quick shout out in our Telegram course channel about this live stream, and we should get more people joining. 5 people watching already. Welcome everyone. Welcome Betmaster BR. And yeah, let's share the live stream in the Telegram course channel. And by the way, take a look at this. So this live stream is going to be mostly about football coins, but of course about any coins whatsoever, any meme coins. And during one live stream, we found this coin Euro at $200k in market cap. And then I called it in the free Telegram course channel, and it literally went 3x. And then it went to 5x actually, eventually to 1 million from 200k. So this is the reason to watch those live streams. You always find plays very early here, and that's why you should join Telegram course channel. Let's now quickly make this shout out that we are live. And yesterday I wanted to go live, but I couldn't because the Wi-Fi here was really on and off. It was working for a while and then it wasn't working, so yeah, I couldn't go live yesterday. So this live will be a good one. Yeah, going to be a fun one, good one, informational one. Messi coin went to garbage. Not sure which coin you're talking about. Like, I've been looking at some Euro coins, of course, and one of the ones that I found is this one at 400k. So it's a newer one, just like 1 day old or so. It will stop trending as well, and it still is kind of promising here. It did not quite die. I mean, 400k is a good level. I wouldn't say it's dead. So yeah, we're looking to find some new Euro coins, football coins like Ronaldo, Messi, whoever. And if you know coins, guys, show in the live chat. Let me know. This is another one that I found, UEFA. As you can see here, it does have a weird chart, but it's going to be a slow cook. So the team, the developer, they're holding, they're working on the project, and this is one of the coins that is a slow cook, which I found. So could be an interesting play here, for sure. But now let's take a look at Potted Fun. Let's see if we can find some new football coins. And one that I actually called to my exclusive members earlier today was this one called Meme Cup, which I saw at 13k and it went to like 26k, almost 30k. So it was a 2x play. And I saw it right before it broke out here, as you can see here. And this just looked great, it still looks great. It's still a slow cook because it was launched like a while ago. It's almost been an entire full day. And the developer is still holding, the team is there, they're working on the project, and the meme is great. Solana Meme Cup. And those are all the top meme coins behind it, like Peng, Maneki, Wojak, Tramp, as you can see here, Boden, Slurf, Bonk. So all of these meme coins are here. And let's take a look at this website. It's just a great meme, fits the narrative. As you can see here, top meme coins are over here. And it just looks great. It just looks great. So we'll be keeping an eye on this coin. I still think it's a potential play. You guys should do your own research. It's obviously not financial advice, but this coin looks interesting for sure. It's back to 15k now, so it dipped down and it looks strong. Do you use any sniper bot and pump? No, not really. But I mean the best one, if you mean the paid bots, this would be Sharp.io, but this bot is $20k to use. So let's look for some football coins. There is quite some interesting stuff here. Eurocat, but this has no interest whatsoever. Euroso here too, but no interest. Let's refresh, let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Yes, there are not that many football coins. I mean, I saw way more earlier today, but I think the narrative will kick in just a matter of time. I mean, people already know that there is this big tournament, so we just need a stronger narrative here, a stronger push. We need some coins to become established, like this one. We just need a one front runner to go to like 10 million, and then I think this trend is going to kick off because it's going to be there for 1 month. So, and this will get loads of media coverage, of course. Bowler on Radium, let's take a look. I can already see a bunch of bowler coins here. This one performed earlier, but it has dumped. I mean, rock pulled completely. Let's take a look at bowler and see if it's good. This one day ago has pretty good volume, as we can see here, but the chart is completely like, it has no structure. This would be my issue. So we can't really use any tools, we can't really use any TA here, because it's just following its own thing. It has its own trajectory. And those coins on Radium I usually really avoid because you can't really analyze them. You're benching based off feeling. But so is with this coin. So it's just about doing the background research. It's 1 day old or like a few days old. So you got to just look into socials, the community. Does that look great? And if it does look great, then potentially, sure. But just know that there is no TA to be made here, no technical analysis, unfortunately. So I can't really tell whether if it's a good project. But thank you for the show. Let's take a look at this one, not really in the football trend. There is live stream. Alright, let's take a look. Looks like it's recovering from a massive dump, and it is a slow cook right here. The market cap does look attractive. And Pepe, a long-term trend. The bubble map looks completely clean. Let's take a look. This looks kind of weird here. Take a look at this website's name. And it's very simple as well. It's just this profile picture. I mean, just the art, which does look original, so that's great. Dex is paid from a failed project. So this project was made earlier and it's just a remake, I assume. Let's quickly take a look. Whether this developer relaunched the coin. And he had one other successful coin here, which is this one, which went quite high up as well, like 4 days ago. So could be interesting. He has some sort of an experience. But what I want to take a look at is whether someone has made a coin with this name before. Crepe. There are quite a bunch, as you can see here. Quite a bunch. Let's just join the Telegram. Welcome everyone to the live stream. Marlon, yeah, I'm doing great. Hope you're doing great as well. Hope you guys are enjoying the Euro football tournament. I've been watching some games, and obviously it's very exciting. I just hope to see more of such coins in the meme coin space. I think this narrative is like kind of undervalued right now. Like I expected more hype about this. But yeah, 200 members here, 12 in the watch.
Two more bookmarks.
So he started to talk here. I'll quickly mute him and take a look at Telegram again. There is a Dex screener, order completed. Like so far I can't see any red flags here. They're doing some raids. The community looks big for sure. So yeah, it looks great. That's what I have to say here. It's a slow moon, just out for 1 day, and it's in a dip right now. Do your own research here. The thread section also looks very, very large, which we love to see. The community is completely big. And I would certainly keep an eye on this. It's attractive market cap too. Original art, it's just that the website could be better. But other than this looks completely good. As well as this one, if you didn't see the beginning of this live stream, this one as well looks interesting. Meme cup. Let's take a look at this. Not really in the narrative, but there are just a few coins in the football narrative for now. Bubble map looks completely clean. There is no art really, it's just a dog, just a picture of him from Google. So that is, a developer could be better here. Definitely room for improvement. The community is large, 140 members. 4 in the voice chat. This is very little, but it's already past its initial first wave surge. CTO link. Let's take a look. Great. Let's try joining the CTO group. Not sure if it's a CTO. 77 members. Oh yeah, so this is way more active here. 27 voice chat members, video chat members. This looks way better now. They are certainly active here. Let's go back. Let's take a look at it again. Thread section looks very nice. I mean, it's large. And the developer sold like on this candle right here. And it's been like 20 minutes of them trying to bring it back. And if you guys don't know, CTO is a community takeover. If the developer cheats, probably he sold his stake here, and then people are trying to make the money back and they want to bring coin back to the top. And it's still quite early. Do your own research here, guys. At 20k, market cap, and it went as high as like $50K in market cap. And this, by the way, bounced from precisely $10K psychological level. And like 2-3 streams ago, we saw two coins in a row bouncing from $10K in market cap and doing like 3.5 and 4x, both of them. So B coins, when they dump, they usually bounce from 10K. So it's not a perfect entry now, but at 20K, still could make 2x, you know. So do your own research here. We'll keep an eye on this and see if it performs. We'll keep an eye on all of those coins. This one too, Mother Bread. The name, the meme, right away looks attractive to me. The first thing I'm going to do is I'll search this coin, that meme, because it's a CTO. It sounds like it's a remake, relaunch of a rocked coin, which is this one, I would assume. So what is happening here is that basically they liked the meme here. People liked the meme. It sent to Radium, so it had massive potential, and then developer cheated somewhere here on those two candles. So this meme is attractive, I think, because people liked it before, you know? This is my thought process. So let's take a look at the bubble map. And if people liked it before, it means it has a potential again. Even if it's a relaunch, it's acceptable to relaunch a coin. If the meme was great or if it was a failed launch, if the developers basically ruined the coin or if the cheaters ruined the coin, you know. And this website looks very nice. Very, very nice. Take a look at this. It's all great art. Interface looks good. This blue. You can see here a bunch of memes like this. All of this looks great. And it's Mother Bread. It fits the narrative because bread is now multi-billion-dollar coin. And there is also Mother Iggy coin, which has Mother. So it really fits the trend. Previous coin on her 20K, yeah. Relaunch CTO. So this coin, it also has DEX screener prepaid. At least I hope that it's the case. Let's take a look at the Telegram. But so far, we have stumbled upon very, very interesting coins. We now have 3 coins, which are interesting. "34 members in this voice chat is very nice. 350 members total. This is very interesting. What was your old all-time high? 120. This looks extremely attractive, I have to say. For sure, because they are so active. And I think this is DEX screener payment. Yeah, as you can see here, $300. It looks slightly different though, for some reason. It does not, yeah, it just looks different. Let's try to verify that. Because oftentimes developers bait with a fake DEX square payment. Like it's really important to have an actual link here. I mean, they sent a link actually, but it just looks different than usual. Relaunch. DEX ads paid. Payment detected. So they have been running ads as well. This is interesting for sure. Very interesting. Micro buys bot. Yeah, this looks great for sure. I for sure like what I'm seeing. It's a relaunch, but in this coin's case, I think relaunch is its like wild card. Like this is the good thing about the coin, that you know it was successful previously. So this is what's interesting about it. Let's take a look at the chart again. You guys do your own research here. At 15K, it's attractive for sure. Let's keep an eye on those coins too. And we will call one
I
of
guess
those
it does
coins.
not. It's kind of lame.
Who is talking here? Mute him. Yeah, we'll make a call in our Dragon Coast channel about one of those coins. And I'm thinking this one because we have a bunch that we liked so far, 4 coins, and I should shout out one of the coins because I really like all of them right here. Let's take a look at this one. Slow moving chart, that's what I see right away. Going for a second wave, I mean, this already is second wave, harder than the first one. At 30k though, it's an issue. It's late to enter, that's for sure. But the meme is original here. I think Pepe date, and this is all handmade, hand-drawn, custom, not just a picture. It is a replica from his most known, photo. So that's great. The website looks a bit unprofessional though. This large font kind of is unpleasing to look at. Dex is paid here. We need a transaction proof. This is just a picture. Let's take a look at the bubble maps. Let's join the group. Definitely could be interesting here. It's still in the narrative. Tate is obviously still trending. That's what's good about this coin. 400 members, so very large community. Like I'm wondering whether this is even legit because 400 is loads of people. And in that case, you just check how do those profiles look. And right here, they all have profile pictures. They look completely legit. So I would say this looks legit. 34 members as well means that they are active. Dex is paid, Dex banner, game.com, interesting marketing wallet. Yeah, it looks great, but it's high up. This is my issue with the coin. It does look great for sure. So let's just keep an eye on it and see if it happens to reverse back again to like 15k. That could be an attractive entry. And well, we can take a look at this support level. We don't know if it's going to bounce from it, but this is actually exactly 15k. This as well is the support level here. So let's keep an eye on the coin. I'll quickly free call Instagram Coast channel this particular coin, Mother Bread. I think it looks the most bullish from our finds. So just hold on for a few minutes here, guys. Just hold on for a few minutes. I just hope it doesn't go up too high before we call this sender. Hopefully it doesn't go up too high. Alright guys, let's continue with this live stream. Thank you guys for being here. You sniping meme coins. Well, just buying and selling, not really getting in early. Like I don't use any kind of advanced bot to like snipe the coins. I just buy them with Trojan, you know? So nothing really advanced here. Let's keep looking for new place. This one I saw earlier today, so it's a slow mooning coin for sure. And it looks like it dumped to based on market cap right here. And recovered. So there is interest, there is demand, even though its chart kind of looks pump and dumpish. But it's in the trend, right? So Father's Day, I'm actually not sure, is it today? Like, or is it going to be tomorrow? But yeah, someone said tomorrow, but he said it a while ago. Loads of people in the thread section. Let's take a look at the volume. The volume looks consistent over time, and this is usually what I'm looking for, consistency in volume. So that is great so far. But the only issue is that it hasn't had much price movement, much price action. This is the only issue so far. People are talking here. That's what I see right away. That's great. They're active. 134 members. But yeah, I wouldn't get into this particular coin just because it hasn't gone that high up yet. Like it's been at around 10k, 15k level for quite some time, and I don't see it as a good sign really. It's a slow mooner, sure, been here for like 10 plus hours, but hasn't done much so far. So this trend simply isn't strong enough to send. This is what I think about this particular coin. Let's keep an eye on this coin, Mother BCTO. This looks great because just the chart looks bullish. A relaunch at 15k was an attractive entry, even at 20k. But yeah, the ideal entry was at 15k. Let's keep looking for something interesting, but we already have a bunch of interesting coins. This one as well, like we saw this at 20k, like I still told you guys that at 20k even, this is still attractive. Like you can take 50%, 75%, this bounced exactly from 10k. And the reason for this play is that this went to 50k, and coins which go that high up, they usually bounce and recover. Big coins always recover. That's like almost always. And it's a CTO. So this is now up like 75% from the time that we saw it and we liked it. So nice to see that. Potential to explain. This is the only coin that I think is too late to get in. I mean, this now too, it's too late at 35k, but at 20k it was attractive. CTO, it's a community takeover. Someone asked in the chat, community takeover. When the developer cheats, when he runs away, when he dumps his bags, and community decides to bring the coin back. But this particular coin has no volume. This, I would assume, just has the buy bot working here. So there is really no real interest. If the buy bot is coupled with real volume, that of course is what we are looking for. But do not mistake the buy bot for the real interest and for real transactions, you know. So don't get fooled by looking at just those candles right here. Because this buy bot as well is shaping those candles. But I do like the look of this art, that's for sure. It looks great. It looks handmade, original. It's not just a picture from Google. And this one too, I would assume is kind of original. Has this logo here, Pump, Donald Pump. Looks interesting. This as well looks very interesting. I would say it's an average website, maybe slightly better than average. Completely acceptable website. No Telegram though. Can't join the Telegram. CTO. So this also was took over by the community. Interesting. Let's try to join. Telegram. So people are sending different links here. And I do have to warn you guys that oftentimes people actually send fake CTOs. So they tell that the coins have been rocked, it's a CTO, but actually take a look at this. The developer still is active here. And let's see if he holds. So he's holding. There is no CTO. It's just people trying to get you into a fake Telegram to scam you. The real link, as you can see here, is this one from the developer himself. Let's now join it real quick. But the meme is great because Trump is a long-term trend. Political figures are always trending. So this completely fits the long-term narrative. Welcome Glitch Android, welcome everyone. 108 members. Only 2 online though, not sure if it shows this legitimately, but only 2 people are active and there is no voice chat. So they're not very active. And this is my issue with this coin. This coin simply has no volume and the community isn't really active either. Might be a slow cook, but it's not really attractive because there is no real demand. So this we saw at 15k, so far 50% gains here, almost 50%. This one we saw at 20k, this is 2x gains now. How much percent do you look to take profits per trade? At least 50. Anything below 50 is not really worth it, not really worth the risk. And it's all about risk-reward ratio. So the most that you should be willing to lose here is 20 to 30% per trade. And the upside, ideally at least 2x. But sometimes you go to take 50%. Ideal would be at least 2x though. 2.5x, 3x at most. I never hold coins to get like 5x or 100x because you won't be able to do it consistently. This is pumping too. We should refresh this because the chart hasn't really updated in a while here. And oftentimes spotted fun is working really slow. Like during the past few live streams, spotted fun has randomly stopped working. So hopefully that's not the case right now. Look at 10, think good narrative from Andrew Tate. Is it about fun or on Radium? Let me know. But yeah, Pump Fun looks like has stopped responding, unfortunately. Let's try again. If it doesn't work, we'll just switch to Dex Screener. Radium. Alright, let me take a look. Hopefully Potted Fun comes back sooner than later. Let's take a look at coin name 10. A show from the live chat. Loads of volume. But yeah, my issue with this coin right away is that as you can see here, there is no volume whatsoever now. And it's like it's at all-time low in terms of its market cap. So you really are buying into a dead coin here. And most coins just have this one wave and they never really recover. This sooner or later might have a small pump here, but people will be looking to get out whenever a coin like this pumps. Slow cook, I wouldn't really think so. This went to 2 million. It's not really that established in my opinion. As you can see here, this pump was really quick, just 1 hour pump, and there is no structure on this chart. So into this particular coin, I wouldn't really buy into. But we are going to look for some other DEX screener coins, radium coins, and of course look for some plays. So this is now at 50k. We saw this at 20k. This is 2.5x. Yeah, it will take time for this to come back. Welcome less chief. This coin not an entry at the moment because it's trading above this equilibrium, right? So it's above the average price, so we'll be paying a premium here. And keep in mind that this is still in a short-term downtrend, as you can see here. But this is attractive coin to trade because there is sufficient volume and it's literally number one trending. So this coin will be keeping an eye on. Let's take a look at this. So it's all about opening dozens of tabs and just observing the coins throughout the day. Because very few of them will actually have great entries at the time that you actually open the chart. How old are the coins that you trade? Well, any age. Usually DEX screener, I just pick from the top trending coins because they are the narrative usually, they are the trend, they have the volume. And we want to trade coins with volume, of course, which are top trending, because also people who visit DEX screener, they're going to pick coins from the top here. So it's basically free marketing, free spotlight. So those coins tend to usually be a few hours to a few days old, usually. And of course, hold some coins long term, coins like Boden, Tramp, WIF, Bonk, those coins long term, you should just hold. So it's not really about trading those coins. But at fun coins too, I mean, they are very new. So anything really, anything that is attractive, anything that could pump, you should definitely take advantage of. Let's take a look at this coin. Looks like it has really prosperous volume right here, but it's trading at a premium. It just formed an all-time high. So let's see if it bounces back from 0.5, because if it doesn't, if it goes below 0.618, it's going to break its structure. It's going to break its bullish momentum. So ideally 0.5 bounce could be attractive here. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is going to take some time for those coins to actually have a good entry. So it's about waiting. Let's take a look at this one. I randomly bought this one called Hellcat. Let me take a look. Hellcat, I've heard the name before. But I can't really see it anywhere here. Like those two, but they are very old and they are doing nothing. If you mean on Pirate Fun, then unfortunately it doesn't work at the moment. Now there is this top trending coin, top 3, but look at this structure, right? This structure simply looks very, very unattractive here. I'm going to skip it. This one went to 300 million, so I wouldn't trade such big coins. But I'm still curious to check it out, like what is the chart looking like? Does it have structure? And let's analyze it. But as you can see here, it just has this massive downtrend right here. It certainly looks very dangerous to get into, at least short term. 22 million, it's very high up. And if you see coins on DEX screener, which amass like 20 millions in like 1 or 2 hours, they usually are big scams. This one is very low market cap, only 50k. This is 150k, 4 hours old, top 10, and volume looks sufficient for its market cap. Let's see if it loads up. And our Pump Fun coins, you can see here guys, we call this for free Telegram members at 15k. So this is 2x now. Very, very beautiful. And this sent to Radium, so this was 3x. And those coins I still think do have potential. This Crepe, even though it's a relaunch as well apparently, and this one still has potential for sure. We found some great coins just like 10 minutes. So hopefully we can get Pirate Fun back really quickly. There are quite many good coins right now. BullX, well, I need to set up my BullX profile, which I haven't done so yet, so I would have to do it off the camera before I actually use BullX on the live stream. But of course I have to learn the interface of a new platform, so yeah, I'll try it out for sure. I'm a complete newbie, would your course be alright for me, as I've not even got a wallet yet? Well, in that case, check out the free course first, because in the free course I already explained everything for the beginner level. So how to set up the wallet, how to buy crypto, how to use Pump Fun, Dex, Screener and Photon, and then once you go through that, you can actually take a look at the paid subscription, which is this right here. And this is not just the premium course, which is just the free course is 40 minutes of beginner level, but this is basically the premium course. It has 2 hours worth of content, and it also comes with the exclusive community and with daily premium course. So first check out the free course, I would say, and then you can go ahead and take a look at this right here. And this is the first link in the description if you guys are interested. And I drop like a few calls a day, and our members break even with just 1 or 2 calls. Some of them do, the ones that follow the calls. But you should also, it's also like for education as well. It's not just about calls, it's also about connecting with the rest of the community, with like-minded people, and just growing together. This coin certainly looks attractive to trade, has volume, even though 5-minute volume looks very shallow, but it's now trading at an all-time high. This is the issue. Let's take a look at Pump Fun. Hopefully it comes back very soon. Like earlier today, I was of course looking at Radium and Dex Square coins, but unfortunately the market is really dry. And I saw literally no good plays whatsoever on Dex Screener today. It's just some unattractive coins in my opinion. Like we have good days very often, for example, like not very often but every now and then. For example, when Tate decided to pump meme coins, we had quite many good days, like 2 to 3 days of coins just pumping, but oftentimes it's also very silent. Every coin rocks. Yeah, in a tough market, coins do tend to rock way more. So we just need a new meme coin wave, which usually happens once every 1 to 2 months. So we just need to wait out this bleedy period, because take a look at those top coins too. This is the number 1 indicator, like what are meme coins going to do. You first got to look at Bitcoin, at Ethereum, at those top altcoins right here, of course this Solana, and right now, I mean the market is bleeding. And this is not good for meme coins either. People just tend to be more careful, more skeptical, and of course they're taking money out of those meme coins because they're going to dump even more. They are affected way more than those altcoins. Like Solana itself is down 9% and meme coins are down way more. So what we need to happen, hopefully for BTC to make a new all-time high. Its previous all-time high was at 73k. And once it breaks 73k, of course, the rest of the altcoins are going to pump, and people are where the money is. So money first is going to be in the altcoins, and then when people make the profits here on those top altcoins and even holding BTC and Ethereum, then the money rotation from those coins the money is going to come to meme coins. So we first need the main coins to recover here before we see another wave. And this is going to be crazy, right? Because we are still early. So the good months are yet to come. So this might be attractive here. This had the resistance right here with its first all-time high. Then right here, it was looking to break the resistance and it finally did. So yeah, this is the level. It kind of bounced back from this support already. It's a resistance support level flip. So let's keep an eye on this coin. It for sure looks tradable and it's top 10 trending. This as well, let's refresh. Looks like some volume is kicking in here. Elam looks like a big project, I think. Yeah, let's take a look. Is Elam on the screener? So it looks like it's recovering, but as you can see here, the volume is still very low. So ideally, we want a higher low to be formed here before we even consider getting into a position. Meme coins trade 24/7. Well, in the bull run, yes. In the bear market, it's extremely hard, and I would say don't do it in the bear market. So in the bull market, yeah, they're good. You can trade them every day, but there are days like today where you just can't find any great plays. Unless you trade on potted fun, which I tend to avoid when the markets are dry, because there is going to be more rug pulls, and less coins are going to make it to Radium because there is not sufficient volume on the platform. This coin at $200k in market cap, my issue with this is no structure. It's live for 7 days, but it's been going down for the last 5 days or so. And the volume looks very small. Volume looks very small. I personally would not trade this coin. Like you should better trade coins like this, which are fresh, which are hot, and which you can make money with right now. Because if you get into a coin like this, you will just have to hold it for weeks without any guarantee of this actually recovering. The only thing that looks good here is the fact that it is holding this 0.7860 Fibonacci level. So there was a massive dump and then a massive bounce back from this level, and this was a perfect trade here, right? 3.6x. And right here is holding this as the support. But if it happens to go down, if it has no volume, that is what's going to happen in fact. Something like this eventually, and if it falls below this level, it will have a really hard time recovering. When coins fall below this level, I would never even look at them. They are very hard to recover. This looks like it's pumping right now. Volume is kicking in. It's still very, very small. It went from 1k to 4k. But there is low liquidity, so small volume is going to pump it. Dex Screener, yeah, it's completely free. You should really check out the free course, because I explain how to use Dex Screener, Trojan bot, and really everything. I think it's going to be really, really great for you. Because it's exactly for people like you who are just new to meme coins. So it doesn't have any advanced strategies in the free version. But it's exactly for people like you who just need to learn how everything works first. It's a bit discouraging that a potted fund is glitching, so now it's back. This is great. But I'm just wondering why it's so on and off. Let's see if this sent to Radium. We saw this at literally $20K in market cap. This already has 75K. Let's open this on Radium. On Dex Screener. It's been launched 8 minutes ago. The migration happened 8 minutes ago and it's still holding its level. That's good to see. So let's take a look. 1 second candles, because this is time sensitive. I want to see the price action of literally every single second, you know. And this chart of course has no structure whatsoever at this moment. So I would of course wait for like 10 to 15 minutes for the chart to form. But even right here, you can see that we saw a bounce from this 0.786 level, a perfect bounce, and this right here could have been 50% trade. Volume is completely sufficient, so let's see what is going to happen with this coin. And this as well, we saw at 15K by the way. Thanks for checking. No idea if I should invest in Elon actually, but the admins are very active to get some volume, I think. Well, in that case, you just can look for coins. We just have the full package, right? So if the admins are active, that is great. But the other signs have to be bullish as well. So good admin or good admins, good team is just one of those signs. But what you want to find is coins with full package. So whenever I analyze coins, like this one, for example, this Mother Bread, you got to take a look. Website, socials, are they great? Profile picture, is it great? Holiday distribution, bubble map. So take a look at everything. Volume, thread section. So you should rather enter coins which have the full package because we have the choice. So always look for full packages. Whenever I see that coin lacks volume or has a bad social activity like no website or something, I just skip the coin. So my rule is always look for full packages. If I see any red flags, I just avoid those coins. This one has like $13K in market cap. 15 people in the voice chat. Let's take a look if this is DEX screener payment, which looks like it is, so that's nice. If the DEX is prepaid, that's also what I'm looking at, because it's $300, it's a big commitment from the developer, and here the guys are active, that's nice to see. So this might go for a second wave for sure. Where is the coin? So here is the coin. And this art looks original here. To my knowledge, it's original. It doesn't look like AI. And it went as high as about $30K in market cap. So this could be interesting if it makes a higher low here. And welcome everyone to this magnificent, prosperous live stream. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this live stream. And let's look for something new now. Let's look for some new coins. This coin which we just looked at doesn't really look that attractive to me, unless it makes a higher low. And this one bounced from this, one level. And as you know guys, if a coin drops below this 0.786, they usually have a hard time recovering, but we do have this as the support here. So let's keep an eye on this still. Mother Bread is like up here. It definitely has some activity. I mean, whenever coins are in this bump order section, it means they have either a new buy or a new sell or a new threads section reply. So we only want to look at the active coins. And this looks like AI made, kind of. Donkey with wings. But it's in the long-term trend, but this clearly is AI. Clearly AI. But still this website looks better than average, I would say. Thread section is very, very large. The market cap is very high though, at 30k. But I just wish that we saw this coin earlier, because just from the chart, this coin looks fantastic. I mean, we want coins to make higher lows, to just go continuously up. So this like the most perfect chart you'll see. So I just wish we saw it a bit earlier. Just continuous higher lows, continuous like diagonal uptrend all the way. So from the chart, this looks extremely bullish. Bubble maps, there is one link. So someone actually owns 9% here, who is the developer? So this is a small reason for a concern, because 9% is kind of a lot. 9% is kind of high. Let's join the group. Let's see if they're active. 200 members. 3 of them in the voice chat, but it's a slow moon. That's why they're not very active. Dex is paid here. And the team looks active too. I mean the owner. The owner looks active. It's not really a buy though, at $30k in market cap. I think it's too late to get in. A bit too late. And guys, we'll actually wrap up this live stream here. I think we discovered quite many good coins. I mean, we saw this full coin going from 20k to Radium. We liked the coin at 20k, so you guys could have made some money, obviously do your own research. And this one went from 15 to 30k. So we found some nice coins, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. And come back tomorrow. I'm streaming literally every single day. I'll go live again tomorrow. Yesterday I couldn't actually go live because there were some Wi-Fi issues. So that was unfortunate. But today's fine. And tomorrow I'm going to go live again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Join the free Discord. Join the free Telegram course channel. And have a magnificent